Hi, welcome to my channel. This is DIY Coach B. Yes, you're welcome. Now I'll be making turban. This is a pleated turban. You can see the material we use, which is non-stretchy. The measurement is written there. We have three major parts when you're making turban. The first part is the back base. The second part is the band base, while the third part is the strap. Yes, according to the video. Now, what you're going to do is that you will join the band base together with the back base. So, when you're done sewing this together, you pleat it. When you're done sewing, when you're done joining the two together, you are going to start plating. So, plating this material, you are pleating the 60 inches part, the 60 inches part. So when you're done, as you can see in the video, right? So you pleat, fold, pleat until you are done with the whole fabric. This is what we have left after sewing. So if you measure it, you will realize that it's having like 13 to 15 inches. So depending on how you pleat yours. Here's the strap. You attach the strap to the band base. You take in like 4 inches inward on both sides, on the right, then on the left. You match it down with your sewing machine. When you're done, you fold it into two and take inward 1 inch from the band base. Then coming towards the back base, you take your sewing allowance, normal sewing allowance. You just sew it down. And then you, by the edge, you can see that part where my hand is. You take in 4 inches inward, then you trace it outward on both sides, both the Y and the X axis. Cut it, sew it, then you tack it. So when you're done tacking, you turn the inside out, and here comes the turban. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you got value. Bye.